Hi guys, today's tutorial is going to be a little bit different. It's not a full tutorial. I just want to share something that I was working on and I struggled with. For this little drawing that I'm working on here, I wanted to make a custom lightning brush. So I used this as the material for my brush tip, and I thought, how cool would it be to make this a dual brush? So there's two bolts of lightning, and I can make each one a different color. So here's what happened. This is my dual brush. It works by itself, and this is why I wanted to make it a dual brush, so that I could turn that second bolt of lightning on and off. But here's the problem. When I go in here and I turn on the second brush tip, it's the same color. It doesn't matter what color my subcolor is. It's the same color. Why? I could not figure it out. And I literally woke up with the thought in my head. It's so simple. This is what you do. You go back to your material, and you always want to make sure, if you want to be able to change colors on it, the layer properties are set to gray or monochrome. And then I'm going to duplicate this layer, hide the other one, lock the transparent pixels. All you have to do, guys, is just make it white. That's all it takes. It's white. So now you go and you register your material. I'm just going to name it Lightning 2. Select Scale Up and Down. Use for brush tip shape. Stick it in a folder somewhere. And there you go. So let's go back to my dual brush. And I'm just going to add that new lightning brush. And you can tell the difference because it'll be a black background with a white image. And now look at that. I have two color lightning, and I can turn it on and off. Oh, here, let's delete the old one. We don't need it now. So now I have two color lightning that I can turn on and off. And all you have to do to have something change to the subcolor is have it be white. And if you want it to change according to the main color, just have it be black. I'm going to do a full tutorial on my YouTube channel for how to do this brush from top to bottom, so keep an eye out for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Well, that was a terrible lightning heart. Disregard. Bye-bye!